storm show. Ay, it's a storm show.
We gotta talk about Joseline Hernandez real quick. Did y'all see the viral clip of Joseline going around where she yelled at the girl for coughing? For coughing, Joseline, we yelling at people for coughing now, baby. We got to do better than that. So, Joseline has a show on Zeus Network called Joseline's Cabaret, all right, where she is supposed to be teaching these basically $2 hoes, because pretty much all of them are hookers or prostitutes and they got pimps. She's trying to elevate them to classy strippers. So you're gonna go from being a $2 asshole walking the corner to being a stripper in a cabaret, you know. Do it like it's my B-day, baby. Do it like it's my B-day. And in this particular scene, Joseline's trying to teach the girls the choreography, right? And so Joseline sits down. Mind you, Joseline has had like 6 months to perfect this choreography. But she wants these $2 assholes to get it within 6 minutes. And so she does the choreography. She, lay your best like when you're on me. I give it where you be. I'm tripping on you. So she does all of that. And then she tells the girls, all right, come on. I need y'all to do it. All the girls failed because she moved too fast and they weren't going to get that choreography that damn fast. So long story short, the girl named Aqua was trying to do the choreography. Her wig fell off. And then, of course, Joseline had to get on her ass about running out the room because the wig fell off. As Joseline was talking to the girl started coughing. And Joseline goes, who you coughing at? Who you coughing at? Who you coughing at? Because I know you're not coughing at me. And she said, this disrespectful ass bitch, this $2 asshole, this homeless asshole coughing at me like I'm some kind of germ. Like I'm some kind of germ or some shit. I know you're not coughing at me. I know you're not coughing at me. And I said, why Joseline on her bullying this poor girl? The girl done told you she done had an abortion of twins, double homicide, everybody kicking off in her ass. And now Joseline mad at the girl because she choking on her damn spit. Word to the wise, if you talking to Joseline, don't cough, don't sneeze, don't burp, don't fart, don't do nothing. You stand at attention and listen to what Joseline Hernandez have to say. Otherwise, y'all gonna be fighting. Let me ask you something. If a girl got in your face and started confronting you because you cough, what would y'all do? Because I just couldn't have went out like no punk like that. Joseline just would have had to whoop my ass that day. Moving right along from that, it's giving bullying and it's really not cute. I love you, Joseline, but we gotta do better than that.
It's a storm show. Ay, it's a storm show.